Today I would like to show you one of the weeklies or bi-weeklies we are doing. That is cleaning our Greywater tank, which is this little fellow here. Now you hear it pumping, and I will show you inside. It's from a German company and a pretty simple system. There's a floating device inside indicating the water level and switching a pump. Down there you see the exit to the macerator pump, and when it reaches a certain level, pumping. And it's a pretty fast system, very capable. You can shower with 2 people and engage also the things, and even then it's still pumping everything out. It's easy to clean, you have quick access, there's enough space here. I'm sitting now on the front bilge, and we do at least every 2 weeks, depending on how often we take showers and so on. Sometimes in the summertime we take showers outside, so we don't need these showers here inside, but during winter time we do it more often, and it's worth to do it, but it's nice and clean and doesn't cause any problems. Thank you for watching.